Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Guys, if you have a Chevy, a GMC, Buick or Opel vehicle, guys, and you have automatic transmission and you're trying to figure out if you are about to change the transmission fluid, guys, and you need to drain the transmission. Okay, and you're wondering, okay, should I do that when the transmission is hot or cold? Stay with us and we're going to cover that today. Now, there is a big controversy. I read online people suggesting different things, but on most modern transmissions, especially on the 60-30, 60-40, 60-45, guys, we'll explain why. Okay, what will happen if you drain it hot and what will happen if you drain it cold. So, let us show you now, guys. We'll have more than 200 videos, guys, on every vehicle we get here at the shop. We'll be taking the transmissions apart, engines apart, all that. So please, guys, subscribe. Our goal is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free through our free videos. So let me explain now. This is the transmission, guys, completely apart. Okay, valve body out of there, all that stuff. So this is right next to the valve body. You have that fluid check control valve, guys. It touches right here. What that thing does now, we need to explain what this thing does before we figure out, okay, when we're supposed to drain the transmission fluid. This thing, that valve, okay, when the transmission reaches 60 degrees Celsius or 140 degrees Fahrenheit, I believe, it sends the fluid, transmission fluid, to a different place in the transmission. And as a result, guys, not all of the fluid will be in the oil pan. Now when it's cold, when the transmission gets cold, that valve opens and everything drains back in the oil pan. Most of it, at least. Now, if you guys try to drain your Chevy, Buick, GMC transmission when it's hot, guys, and you have that valve inside, what will happen? You will be able to get only about 50% out of the transmission fluid, only half of it. Because, guys, that valve will be activated. So what that tells us, you have to drain your transmission fluid only on a cold transmission, less than 60 degrees Celsius or 140 Fahrenheit. And that doesn't take much for the car to reach that temperature, guys. So you know now that you have to do that, guys, in order to be able to get most of the oil out. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to some of you trying to figure out whether you need to drain your Chevy transmission on cold or hot transmission. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos.
Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.